My first ever box opening. This is a box sent to me by Jesse Herrin, a fantastic carver from the United States. And he's sending me a little music. You may hear some in the background. So as it's my first box opening, please be gentle. As you can see, I'm in a bit of a hurry to get into the box. Nicely packaged, Jesse. Good job. This looks like the same envelopes I used to ship in. I'm sure the CDs are in here. He sent me 2 CDs, one for Larry Dibb on the island and one for myself that I'm hoping to use in background in some of my videos. Yes, there they are. Well packaged, Jesse. Good job. Looks like you do this professionally. One set for me, one set for Larry. Okay, let's see what else he put in the box here. Oh, here's a letter. I sent it to Larry, so I can't remember. He just says, thanks for the stuff you sent me, and I've included 2 copies of the CDs, one for Larry and 2 carved items. He says, I'd like you to pick the one you like, Pete, and keep it and send the other one to Larry if you would. So that's great. Thanks, Jess. In the background, you can hear one of his songs. It's If You're Fading by the Day. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh, look at that. Cottonwood bark. Oh, a cool figure. Nice spirit, Jesse. Love the finish you get on these. And don't forget, sign your pieces like that other guy says. Okay, let's have a look at the other one. Boy, well wrapped, sure protected them. Oh, neat, look at that. Another cottonwood bark piece. I love the way Jesse leaves some of the bark exterior on it, so kind of is coming right out of the wood and out of the natural finish of the bark. Well, thanks, Jesse. I'll pass one along to Larry, and really appreciate this. Thank you very much, and I'll be watching for your carvings.